Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or great night depending on when you're watching this video. Happy Tuesday everyone. I know, it's been a week. Y'all, it's been horrible. I went home for Mother's Day and I ended up taking my sister to the doctor because her original doctor wasn't giving her the right medicine. They just kept giving her the same thing over and over and over. So she went to a new doctor. They gave her amoxicillin, but didn't, test for anything. With them not testing for anything, when I got home Tuesday night, Wednesday, I started to feeling bad. So of course, Sudafed is my go-to, especially if my throat and, my sinuses are having trouble. Took Sudafed, didn't work. Took other medicine, didn't work. Well, it's pretty much sort of worked. So, yesterday, Monday, I finally was able to go to the doctor. I saw my doctor's female nurse practitioner, and y'all, don't y'all know I have strep throat? Like, I don't know when the last time, I don't even think I've ever had that I don't think I've ever had that before. But, y'all, the pictures I saw of my throat it's a hot mess. And I've been having headaches and ear problems, and I got my amoxicillin. I've been taking alternating between ibuprofen and Tylenol, and I've been taking Mucinex. And as you can see by my breathing, yeah, it's not like it's supposed to, but I'm going to be okay. And it's like I haven't had the best sleep at all whatsoever, so I would start a YouTube video, and the next thing you know, I'm falling asleep, which is why you haven't seen me in the comments as much as I normally would before I start to get a headache, which is crazy. It's just crazy. I did not know that. And y'all, when did the amoxicillin become pink? I had no clue that amoxicillin was pink. I always thought it was white pills. And why are they so big? Anywho, let's go ahead and attempt to close out the first paycheck for the month of May. So, this is what I got paid. Well, the budget income, $1,530. All the bills, which I left with $767.54. And yes, you may see my thermometer. I don't have a fever, but I feel like I do, which is crazy. So $767.54. Made a partial car payment of $204.54. Did go ahead and pay off my Capital One. And y'all, it just started pouring down rain. And we're having crazy weather. Like, it is 75 outside, and it's currently 11:26 in the morning. So, paid Capital One off, sent $2 to Navy Federal for that credit card. Ended up with $539. I was able to save $315 altogether. For the variable expenses, this is how it went. Miscellaneous got 10, fun got 15, grocery got 90, travel got 80, spending got 25, and Jasmine got $4. Instead of me saying all of this, you can just see it. And altogether, I ended up with $47. So $47. I did have that $50 that I had in cash or been keeping up with. I also ended up getting $90 from my brother-in-law. I spent $8 from that. And I do have, well, did, before I started spending money from it, did have $179 in cash that should have went back to the bank. And altogether for back to bank, I did go ahead and send $180 back to the bank. And I kept the cash, of course. And of course, you'll see in my next video, if I can get it out, you'll see in my next video where I do that budget, because I started the budget, started feeling sick, and like I said, I've been falling asleep ever since. And y'all, it's just been a hot mess. And Travis, he's been trying to help as much as he can and not catch what I have. Poor thing. And Jasmine, she's been right here with me. So hopefully I can go ahead and do the budget. Again, I do feel a little better since I did take amoxicillin yesterday. Hopefully everything is okay. And y'all, my voice, it was bad. Very bad. Oh my goodness. But I do hope you all have a great rest of your day. I haven't forgot to comment on the last video. I will comment when I get time to do so. I haven't called off work or any of that. I just been pushing through. And y'all, I lost 5 pounds. So hopefully I can lose some more. And like I said, I really haven't been trying to do so. I just, do what I do. So I hope you all have a great day. And I feel a headache coming on, so I'm going to stop this now. Bye.